We are at it again. We are going to look at cocoyam. Many people may not know this. You may not know this, but this is the best alternative to yam. If you are diabetic, yes, they will tell you not to eat yam. If you are having cancer issue, there are so many chronic illnesses you have, you cannot eat yam. But this one is exempted. It is called cocoyam. Cocoyam is also known as Cocoyam esculenta. It can be cooked just like yam. It can be roasted just like yam. You can pound it and use it as your swallow. Very medicinal. Cocoyam helps in red blood cell formation due to its richness in vitamin C, vitamin B6, and the folate. So, if you need abundant red blood cell, which is very vital to your being or your sustenance as a human being, don't joke with cocoyam. It is also a good source of potassium and magnesium that helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. This is your best food if you are hypertensive. If you have issue of high blood pressure, don't joke with this. Eat it as if your life depends on it. Cocoyam helps to combat oxidative stress and reduces risk of chronic illnesses. In short, to sum it up, if you want to avoid chronic illnesses, don't joke with this. Don't mind the price, no matter how expensive, it's worth it. Eat it day, afternoon, and night. Cocoyam prevents and helps in treatment of cardiovascular problems because it is very low in sodium combined with its potassium-rich nature. So any kind of cardiovascular issue, it can be used as a treatment. Not only treatment, it can also be used as a preventive measure. Cocoyam is very good for pregnant women. Share this video. Please, every pregnant woman should eat a lot of cocoyam. The reason is because it helps in skeletal and bone mineralization. And it also helps for their teeth formation, even as a fetus. What it simply means, let me digest it to your understanding. A pregnant woman needs to eat this for good formation of the child in the womb, especially where it concerns the bone and the teeth. Can't you see that is an awesome and wonderful diet for everybody? Cocoyam helps to prevent and treat arthritis and rheumatism. You that have been complaining, my leg is paining me, I cannot walk, and you are using a walking stick. Please eat cocoyam. Leave junk food alone and eat cocoyam. Cocoyam takes care of muscle cramp. This one, muscle cramp, is not a common disease, but a lot of people also have muscle cramp. So if you're having muscle cramp, don't joke with this, especially sportsmen and women. Cocoyam enhances learning ability due to its richness in vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. What it simply means that if your child is not brilliant enough, if you're having issue of forgetfulness, please feed your children with cocoyam and they will become brilliant. That's what it means. Cocoyam is used in treatment of eye problem. It is also used to treat and prevent asthma. It is also a curative and preventive measure for diarrhea. It is also a preventive and curative measure for neurological disorder and skin disorder. What will stop you from eating this? To crown it up, women, listen. Cocoyam thickens their hair. The reason is because it is very rich in vitamin E. You are having hair breakages. I've told you, you don't necessarily need to spend so much money buying all this expensive hair breakage, hair grower, and all whatnot. You can get all this through nutrition. And cocoyam is one of the big suppliers of vitamin E that helps your hair grow and thickens your hair. Help in this mission